Houston, we have a problem.
We thought we were finally making progress until we discovered this room is actually pulling away from the house.
Sound a little breakable.
Then we found something underneath the floor that we never expected. Hi, we're Paul and Natasha, and we bought this century-old home sight unseen.
In a town we'd never even been to before. Follow along on our renovation journey as we turn this old house into our home.
We have so much going on right now. We're so excited to share with you all. What's been going on, hon?
I've been working on the bedroom.
Yeah.
The roofers have been here working
Yep.
there, but all renovations have now come to a stop because something's happening.
Right. So before we get to that, we'll show you what's been going on renovation-wise. Watch this.
All right, so the house is settled over the years, so there's some cracks through this plaster. So instead of just trying to put some new plaster over top of that, it won't stay, it'll just keep cracking. So I'm gonna take my Olfa knife and cut a channel, kind of like a V in here. And then we'll remove everything that's loose, and we'll be able to go ahead and put some plaster over top of that, sand it down. All right, so now that we've got all our cracks kind of grooved out on a little V with our knife, I'm going to start filling them in with this product called Drydex. And it is a spackling compound, which is going to fill all these. And then afterwards, show you what happens. God damn it, I always miss one. Okay, first coat done. When I come back later on today, this stuff doesn't take long to dry, so I'll come back later today, give it a quick sand in the vacuum, and then we'll give everything a second coat with whatever I have left. All right, actually, while I'm gonna wait for this spackle to dry, I'm gonna take my caulking gun, I'm gonna caulk all these cracks. And you can see up underneath all of this picture molding. That's really gonna show up when we paint it. All right, well, that's done.
So with all the chaos that's going on, we decided we're going to do a full video on the before and after reveal of our master bedroom.
But right now, we got way bigger issues to deal with. Watch this. So I'm in the special room, and it's starting to pull away more than it ever was. We've been using this room for our dryer, a makeshift workshop, and also we used it to climb up to the main roof with the shingles. So it's now sagging more than ever. Everything stops. This becomes priority. We got to fix this. You can see how far it's pulled away, and we don't know what's underneath it yet. So I think our first plan of action is we're going to take as much weight off of this as we can so we can get it jacked up safely. And by getting some weight off, I'm going to take off that asphalt siding. And kind of cool back here, it's all cedar shake, so it'd be cool to take all this off. It's a lot of weight, and I think in the end, this is going to look really good. And if it's in bad shape, we'll fix it up, we'll paint it. Let's get to it.
So before we go to more of the big issue, we promised you we'd open up some more boxes.
Right, so let's go to the shed and we'll show you which one was the top pick. Shed time. It's getting dark in here. That'll be all right. All right.
Okay.
All right, our number one requested box was number 10, and I think that's because of sound a little breakable.
Yep.
So that's the first box we're going to open today.
Okay.
You see all right there?
I can.
All right, let's go. It says study books, but I don't know. That's a bag. Oh, there's a bunch of, all right, birthday cards and stuff in there.
Okay.
What is this? Is that potpourri from the early 90s.
That is potpourri.
Oh my God, it still smells like potpourri.
Really?
It does. It smells great.
Oh, wow.
That's a jewelry box. Woo. Ready? There's elastics
That's it.
and some business cards.
Okay.
What research says about homeschooling?
Oh, cool.
Well, then we'll know. Sex and human loving
All right.
with the homeschooling.
Okay.
That's an Easter. It's empty and dirty. More cards. Whole bunch
Wow.
of cards. Holy crap. Holy crap, somebody kept their cards. We're not going to open those here.
Wow.
Birthday smooch and pooch. Here's what sounded...
Is that a hippopotamus?
It is a hippo. That's what sounded breakable.
What's in
It's a
there?
hippo full of screws and pins.
Oh, goodness.
Well, people, that wasn't that exciting. But a little bud buzz.
Oh my gosh, I used to have that Holly Hobby.
You had that one?
Yes.
Well, you have it again.
Look at, turn around, a Holly Hobby. Yeah, I had that.
Well,
Wow.
love is the nicest gift of all.
Wow.
What do you suppose is in here? Is this the
DVDs?
money? More cards.
Okay.
Handwritten notes.
Wow.
Holy.
It's a journal.
Wow.
Neat.
Cool. Anything else?
There's something else, another binder
oh,
right there.
exercise.
Wow.
Is that Patrick Swayze?
Hopefully we'll find that exercise machine. I used to have one of those.
Cards, cards, cards. Somebody kept cards. I keep cards. Ooh, is that checks?
Another journal.
I thought it might be checks.
That's box number 10.
Well, we all had big hopes for that, didn't we?
Yeah. That's
Put 10
cool.
back together. So box number 2 that was most requested was...
Box number 13.
Box
Lucky number 13 is
which
what everybody was
is-
saying.
Which is
So
where?
right there's 12.
12.
So it should be under there.
Is it
Oh,
this-
does that all still belong to this box?
Yeah.
Okay. let's
I don't
put
know. I
that in
kind of
there.
messed up the numbers. It's 5.
Like we're gonna
Oh,
have
there
to.
it is. Oh, it's a heavy one. I think it's heavy. All right. All right.
We're gonna have to put the open boxes on the other side.
Right. Man, we got cassette tapes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we'll turn this around. Baptism of fire.
Okay.
We have some evangelist books. Cool. Books. Ministry books. Oh, more newspapers.
Newspapers. Cool. We love reading the old newspapers. What year? 1993.
1993. That's old for some people.
Okay. Carving into new art.
Oh, look at antlers and things.
Oh, wow.
Papers. Okay, well, right now I'm going through magazines, papers. What's this one? Oh, there's stuff in the bottom that isn't. Children's Ministries. This is sort of a church box, I think. Aha! What's this? Cassette library album.
Oh, wow.
Holy,
Look at all those.
holy! Do we have a cassette player anywhere?
We do not.
Really? Walt Mills and Homeland Quartet. Nice.
Interesting.
It is interesting. That's cool. I'm going to dig on this side just in case there's something different. That looks like all cassettes hold it. What's this? Sunday school, care. Pencils. I could use a pencil. Oh, a box. CFC 95. Another
cassette
tape. Christmas. Is that cassette cleaner, I think, isn't it? What is that? Oh, that's a roll of film.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, buddy, that could be like, I don't know, anything. Okay, well, that's all sort of church books and cassettes. I think I'd like to go through the cassettes See if there's anything cool and old, and maybe get a cassette player.
Okay. Interesting. Well, that was fun.
Okay, well now we got to pick another box. Does anybody want to scan again? Do you want me
Right.
to shake
So
something?
let us know what boxes you would like. We have 1 through 50 labeled. And so far we opened 8 and 10 and 13.
Yeah.
And that's it, right? 8 is right here and box 10 and 13.
Okay.
Fun times.
Okay.
All right, signing off.
So it might sound good.
40?
Maybe
We'll
40
see.
or 41.
Let us know in the comments.
This is just like Storage Wars, isn't it?
It is like storage wars.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man, so much stuff. Well, we bought it. Might as well go through it.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, as always, that was fun.
It is fun. It really is just like storage wars. So we're going to show you a little bit of what the roofers have been working on before we get back to the big issue.
And show you something really cool I found.
Right.
Okay, we're up on the roof with the roofers. Putting shingles on the 3rd side. So far looks good. How's the roof looking?
Good.
How's the deck?
Looking good.
Any issues yet?
Yeah, all clear.
All clear. We say, Billy, all good?
All good. Clear. All clear. Looking
Looks great. Roof deck looks all right. These old boards.
113-year-old boards right there.
Right? Are they spruce, do you think? Probably spruce.
Around here, probably right off the railroad tracks.
What are we doing, Craig?
We're laying out some ice and water shield.
What's ice and water shield?
It's a step up from 113 years ago when they had tire paper on here.
Right?
This will keep you sealed a little bit longer,
So it's kind of like shingle under the shingle almost.
basically.
So first line of defense.
Yeah, it'll be your second line.
The second line of defense. So if a shingle ever leaked, then that would stop the leak from going to the house. Or if some blew off in a storm or something.
That's right.
Yep, looks good. And the whole thing's sticky on the back, correct?
That's right.
Very sticky.
Yeah, very sticky.
Yeah.
The hotter or stickier.
Black flies are great up here. Oh, I just ate one.
Did you eat one?
I did, yeah.
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 Oh, and one more thing. Our RV is no longer parked in the driveway.
Someone stole it. I'm just kidding.
That's because our kids are home. Our daughter and her boyfriend, they're back to living here. And we've been on the waiting list to our local campground and we finally got in. So before we get back to everything, let's show you what we have happening at the beautiful campground. What's it called?
Waukelohegan Macadam Campground right here in town.
Beautiful. Watch this.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side. Back in the sheet. Only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here. I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the seal. May never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering
Now that I got all the weight off the outside, we got a dumpster coming. I might as well get all this flooring out and all the weight out of the inside that I can. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Boom, boom. Trapdoor. I haven't opened it up. I have no idea what's underneath this. Let's have a look together. That's gonna need some tools. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh my God, there's stairs. Oh my God, there's so much stuff.
Stay tuned to next week, everyone, to see what else is going on. We post every Sunday night at
6 o'clock Atlantic time. That's 5 Eastern, and you can figure out the rest yourself. And also, don't forget to pick a box number in the shed for next week's opening.
Right. We appreciate you all. Take care, everyone.